Hi guys! Good afternoon! Yeah, this is Tita ChingTV again guys. Gagawa po ako ngayon ng cassava cake kasi birthday po ng aking daughter tomorrow. It's her 11th birthday. So, ang gagawin ko is gagawa lang ako ng mga kakanin. Ayan. So, ang una kong gagawin ay ang cassava cake. Ayan. Kailangan natin ng 2 packet ng ano ba yan? Cassava, grated cassava. Ayan, 2 yan. Ayan, ang 2. Okay, so yung 2 packet, ilalagay ko na dito sa bowl. Ayan. Naku, tanggalin natin ang mga, yung ugat ng kamuting kahoy. Ayan, yung 2 packet. And then, isunod kong ilagay ay yung butter na 1 cup milk. Ayan. Ayan, butter. Ayan, 1 cup. 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup butter. Ayan. Okay. And then, ilalagay ko na rin na isunod yung 1/2 cup evaporated milk. Ayan, yung 1/2 lang po, kalahati lang. Dahil yung kalahati, we will make it as a topping later. Ayan. Ayan. All we have to do is just to mix them. Mix, and mix. Okay. Mix naman. Mix. Just mix it.
I finished chatting with him now.
And then I will put the 6 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. Tanggalin natin yan. 6 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. Ayan. Ayan. Mix lang natin lahat, guys. Mix lang. Mix. Ayan. Haluin ulit. Yan, halo lang ng halo. Oh, yan oh, may mga kasamang mga yung ugat ba ng kamuting kahoy. So, tanggalin natin kasi hindi masarap yun. Hindi makain. Nakakatinga. Yan. Okay. And then, next is the 14 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Okay, unti-unti lang para evenly na evenly distributed. Okay. Ayan. And then, ayan. Alright, and then ihalo ko na yung 2 eggs. Inano ko lang, whisk ko lang ng konti. And then we need to mix it thoroughly. Ayan. 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 Inaalis ko lang po yung ugat ng kamuting kahoy as I go along na may nakikita ako. Ayan. Kailangan lang haluin ng mabuti. Mix thoroughly. Ayan, pagka na, mayroon akong isang ingredients, guys, na optional kung gusto nyo. Ako, gusto ko nang may konting nangunguya. So, I will add, shredded young coconut, yung buko. Ayan. Dagdagan ko siya ng isang ganito kasi gusto ko yung may ibang lasa naman. Para hindi lang siyang plain. Diba? Yan, dadagdagan ko siya. Yeah, so all we have to do is just to mix it again. Oh, okay. Gusto lahat namin kasama. Yan. Sige, mix lang ng mix again. Yan. Kailangan i-mix ng i-mix para naman evenly distributed. Siya pala guys, yung ating oven ay preheat ko na siya kanina ng 176 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheated for 10 minutes. Yan. Para pagkatapos maghalo-halo ay ready na ang ilagay. Okay. Ayan, so ang kasunod nito, hopefully magkakasya kasi mukhang malit yata yung bowl ko Kasi ang susunod ko nang ilagay ay ang aking 2 cups of coconut na. So hopefully magkasya. Talaga namang hindi kasi professional kaya yan. Ayan. But hopefully it will. Ayan. Ayan. Halo-haluin lang. Sana ginamit ko yung mas malaki. But it's okay. Ayan. Nagiba yung mixing bowl ko. Ayan, kasi masyadong maliit yun. Ayan, kaya inilipat ko dito sa mas malaki. Ayan, basta haluin lang ng haluin. Mix lang ng mix hanggang talagang thoroughly na siya, mixed. Ayan. Yan, so ang susunod na ay yung yung ating baking dish. Ayan. Ayan. So, next na step natin is ilalagay na natin yung butter doon sa ating baking dish. Ayan. Ayan. Lahat. Tama-tama. Ayan. So, mayroon tong buko, young coconut, shredded young coconut. Tinatawag natin na buko. Ayan. So, next, dahil preheated na yung ating oven, so, ayan. Ipapasok ko na siya dito sa, make sure put it in the center. Okay, so, keep there for an hour. Okay? So, 1 hour po natin i-bake. So, I'll show ko sa inyo mamaya, okay? Ang result. Okay, so ito yung toppings na I prepared it earlier. So, we need to pour it on top and then make sure that we mix it. Yan. I-evenly distribute natin mamaya. Yan. Okay. So, natin. I-flatten natin. Evenly distribute. Yan. So, the toppings is made of 2 tablespoons of 2 tablespoons of sugar in a flour, and then half can of that condensed milk that we used earlier. Yeah, so yung half kalahati niya. And then 2 cups of 14 and 2 cups of coconut milk. Ayan. Tapos halu-haluin lang. Lutuin ng 10 minutes. Ayan. Kailangan natin i-distribute para even siya. And then set our oven into broil hanggang maging brown itong ay lagyan pa lang natin ng egg yolk. Not egg yolk, yung white. Okay, so this is now the egg yolk. Not the egg yolk. Why I keep on saying egg yolk? Yung white ng egg, i-brush natin. Simply dip it. Glazing. Tinatawag nila glaze. And then put in the oven in broil setting. Put the setting into broil until it will become brown. Makikita naman natin. Yeah. So I'll show you later okay, so this is now the egg yolk. Not the egg yolk. Why I keep on saying egg yolk? Yung white ng egg, i-brush natin. Simply dip it. Glazing. Tinatawag nila glaze. And then put in the oven in broil setting. Put the setting to broil until it will become brown. Makikita naman natin. Yeah. So